To remove the Powered by Shopify text, the easiest way is to edit the theme, which I outlined in the video up top and in the description. But if you followed those steps and it's still there, to edit the code, click Online Store. Click Themes if it isn't already selected, then click on the 3 dots by Edit Theme. Then click Edit Code. Click on Sections, and then find and click on footer.liquid. Then do Ctrl F on PC or Command F on Mac to open the search bar and type Powered. You can hit Enter to see each time it appears. On my website, the word Powered only appears once, and I don't see Powered by Shopify. This makes sense since it's currently not in my footer, but if you do see a line that says Powered by Shopify, delete that one line like this. Just remove it, then click Save. And next, click View Your Online Store. Then scroll down and make sure the text Powered by Shopify is gone. Thanks for watching.